Alright guys, how's it going? So I thought I would try something a little bit different for a Sunday, kind of family day, so chilling out a bit. So I've set the timer to 5 minutes. Now don't worry, the video only takes 2 minutes. I actually go into double time in a second here. And the reason for this is, the Curtis Holt Discord channel is running a competition. Now let's call it a challenge, let's be more accurate. It's a challenge. And it's called Make Donuts Great Again. Now I was actually sitting in the Discord server last night and I was watching the users model, or attempt to model, depends what side of the fence you sit on. But it was a really good atmosphere and there's a really good bunch of people in the group. And it's a very mature Discord server. Does that make sense? You don't get meme after meme after meme and you don't get childish comments. Well, sometimes you do, but generally it's funny. And the moderators do a really good job, and obviously Curtis is there kind of keeping things ticking along and it's growing day by day. So I thought, okay, I don't actually have time to participate in this challenge, but I can certainly take 5 minutes out of my day to model something. So just to kind of give you a spoiler, I managed to model this in 3 minutes and 20 seconds. I could have been a little bit faster in certain areas, especially when I was messing around with the instancing, but all I do is made a torus, grabbed the top, extruded it out, kind of sculpted quickly, and then generated particles on the face. Now I'm going to put a link to Curtis's Discord down below and his YouTube channel. Make sure you check them out. Do me a favour guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, follow me on Twitter, I've got a couple of mates, you know what to do. Peace.